It's the second day of spring, 2015, and we're having a snowfall in Elk Grove, California, a snowfall of cherry blossoms. In my back Japanese garden, my backyard. It's quite lovely. Covering the ground, falling on the leaves. Falling on St. Francis's shaved head. Peace to all beings, including the plant people. Petals falling on the Buddha's head and the little squirrel. I'm walking through my little redwood personal state park. Very short nature trail. And we'll end here with the Buddha. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.